secure your workforce anywhere, everywhere. My name is Ransom Dick, and I am the head of marketing at SnapNet Limited. In this webinar, we are going to have a brief overview of who SnapNet is. We're going to run through Cisco Umbrella and Cisco Duo solutions, of course, their features, their benefits, and other frequently asked questions. So to begin with, let's talk about SnapNet. SnapNet Limited is an ICT consulting firm with a focus on helping organizations drive their digital transformation through the development of industry-specific solutions, business process automation, data analytics, cloud-based infrastructure, and the likes. So our core offerings are divided into managed service providers, security solutions, training and support, data analytics and AI, business process automation, and ERP. We have offices in Lagos, which is our head office, and Abuja. So let's dive right into the webinar proper. So our world has changed, and the pandemic forced us to make changes that would ordinarily have taken years in a few months. So enterprise networks are changing with new policies springing up around devices and network access, and so have the threats increased. So how have these changes impacted security, and what is Cisco's response? First, let's talk about Cisco Umbrella. Cisco Umbrella integrates multiple security functions into a single cloud-native solution, and it is packaged into security and control, then deployment and management. So for security and control, we have the Secure Web Gateway, the Cloud Access Security Broker, the DNS layer security, cloud delivered firewall, data loss prevention, and a long list of that. And then for the deployment and management, we have traffic forwarding, user attribution, management, reporting, and logs. Let's just highlight a few of these components and their supported functionality. So let's talk about Secure Web Gateway. So the Secure Web Gateway is a cloud-based full proxy that can log and inspect your web traffic, including uploaded and downloaded files for greater transparency, control, and protection against malware and other hidden threats. So you can view the detailed external IP addresses. You could create policies for content filtering by category or specific URLs to block destinations that violate policies or compliance regulations. So let's talk about the Cloud Access Security Broker. For the Cloud Access Security Broker, you can detect and report on the cloud applications in use across your environment. So what it does is it automatically generates overview reports on the vendor, category, application name, and the volume of activity for each discovered app. So you can have drill down reports that would include the web reputation score, financial viability, and relevant compliance certifications just to enable you better manage cloud adoption, reduce risk, and provide more control to block use of offensive or inappropriate cloud applications in the work environment. Now, for the DNS layer security components, when we talk about DNS layer security components, we have a situation where the DNS request precedes the IP connection, enables the DNS resolvers to log requested domains over any port or protocol for any network devices, office locations, and roaming users. So you can monitor DNS requests as well as subsequent IP connections to improve accuracy and detection of compromised systems, security visibility, and um, network protection. For the cloud delivered firewall, how this works is all your internet activity is logged and unwanted traffic is blocked using customizable IP port and protocol rules. So to forward traffic, you simply configure an IPsec tunnel from any network device. As new tunnels are created, security policies can automatically be applied for better visibility and control of all internet traffic, including easy setup and consistent enforcement throughout your environment. I'll just run through to remote browser isolation. So for remote browser isolation, you can protect specific user groups and eliminate risk from web-based threats with an extra layer of isolation for safe web browsing. If there are any of these functions that you would like deeper conversation about, you can always shoot us an email and then we can do a demo with you and just have that conversation to help you understand the Cisco umbrella better. So on Cisco Umbrella's reliability, since, or let's talk about the deployment. So to deploy Umbrella's DNS layer security on any network device, you can provision by pointing external DNS to Umbrella IP addresses. You can also use your existing Cisco footprint to just quickly provision Umbrella protection across hundreds of routers and access points. So on its reliability since 2006, Umbrella's DNS security has maintained 100% business uptime, which means that Umbrella's fully cloud-native service has run significant container workloads for longer than any other cloud security vendor. So it's a self-healing, highly automated, agile, global cloud architecture that just enables a continuous infrastructure refresh. So you have a refresh of the servers, the networks, the whole data centers is just coming in and out of rotation with no customer business impact. So moving from Cisco Umbrella, we have another unique security solution, which is the Cisco Duo multi-factor authentication solution. Now, Duo provides a zero trust security platform to ensure that only the right users and secure devices can access applications regardless of their location. Now, when we say zero trust, the zero trust status means that no user should be trusted by default. So all users must be authenticated at varying stages of the application. Let's watch a quick video overview of what Duo tackles.
Security isn't a product. It's a feeling. Confidence. Safety. Peace of mind. A feeling of trust. If you had that confidence, what would you do? What would you create? What could you achieve? How could you change the world? Imagine the possibilities. At Duo, security is our business. But we're more than a security company. We're a trusted access company. Duo helps you protect what's important. Verifying the identity of your users, assessing the health of their devices, bringing trusted access to your applications. You have a mission. Security shouldn't stand in your way. Put your passion into your work and trust Duo to secure it, because our mission is to protect your mission.
There are three things that Duo promises to do. First is to verify user trust. The second is to verify device trust. The third is to give you access controls. Now, to verify user trust, Duo uses multi-factor authentication, which can be broken into something you know, which is passwords, something you have, like a physical device, your mobile phone, or something you are, which is your biometrics. So to verify device trust, Duo assesses the health and security posture of any device, enforcing continuous inspection. It assesses the security posture and completes visibility. Now, for access controls, Duo manages who can access applications at every point, where you can create customizable access policies based on either location, IP, device, network, or a range of other parameters. So Duo is broken down into three different editions. We have the Duo MFA, the Duo Access, and Duo Beyond. For the dual multi-factor authentication, it supports MFA single sign-on as SSO, protection for any application or federated cloud applications. Now for dual access, it adds more MFA options. You have group-based policy controls, you have user-based policy controls. It checks the device visibility, health, and then you can enforce device-based policies. Now for dual beyond, that's in dual MFA and access plus. So you have third-party agent verifications, you have trusted endpoints, secure remote access, dual mobile as trusted. Now, what makes dual stand out? First, you have ease of use, you have scalability and flexibility, you have faster speed to security, you have broadcast coverage, you have NPS at 67. So what these features translate for businesses is that Duo can secure access to every application from users and devices. Duo can provide visibility into every user-owned device accessing your applications. Duo can scale to thousands of users within days, and Duo has a lower total cost of ownership because admins can consolidate MFA, SSO, and NDM budgets, thereby reducing costs. So every Duo license includes Cisco Secure X, which further integrates security investments. Now, for a full demo or more information on any of our discussed solutions, please write me, ransom@snapnetsolutions.com, or my team, info@snapnetsolutions.com, and we would be happy to respond. We're happy that we could bring you this webinar today. Thank you very much for watching.